In the currency quadrant today, taking a look at the June euro currency futures contract, which had a strong turnaround today, turning from negative to positive, getting up to the highest levels that we've seen for the euro since about February 26th or so of this year. So about a 3-month high on the price that we reached today. 121.46.5 was the high. That was 39 basis points over yesterday's settlement. We closed just below 121 yesterday, 120.99. On the low side of things, we did start out negative for the euro, 120.67.5. That was down about 0.25%. That turnaround started with a Christine Lagarde speech this morning where she was taken as actually being a little hawkish. She was talking about the downside risks to the economy in the European Union quite a bit. But then she made this statement: I'm going to keep a close eye on currency movements to see if they affect inflation. That was taken as hawkish, and we saw the euro spike. Granted, only about 6 or 7 ticks, but it continued up into that positive territory for the day. Settled down a little bit lower around midday. It was actually briefly negative again, down around 13 basis points or so. And then we had the FOMC meeting and the statement come out and the press conference come out. And Jerome Powell basically helped to rally the euro again by weakening the dollar. In the Fed statement, they said growth has strengthened and inflation has risen due to transitory factors. And then Jerome Powell also speculated that the recovery is uneven and far from complete, and inflation will likely continue to rise before moderating. So again, talking about inflation in the U.S. being transitory, and the euro gapped lower by 4 ticks off of that, going below 121, hitting about 120.84 or so, and then the rest of the time just rallied back up toward those highs, finishing near those highs, up about 30 basis points on the day.